Hi everyone, today I went shopping and I brought some surprise eggs, so I thought I would open them on here. And this is a surprise because I don't know which one I'm going to grab. Let's have a look. I got the frozen candy collection egg. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Okay, it's got this lovely blue egg. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Ooh, there's a really cute candy bracelet and it's got flowers on it. Sorry. There you go. See, they're in the shape of flowers. And it comes with a really cute Anna badge. See, with a plastic thing on the back of it. Oh, sorry. That is really cute. And it also came with an Olaf sticker with this Olaf and Snoggy sticker with "How cool can you get" written on it. That is very cute. Let me put the rubbish over there. Now let's see what we get. Now I've got a frozen castle, and inside it comes with a figurine, a castle, royal carpet and a mini book. Let's have a look and see what's in here. Ooh. Here's the book. We got book number 4. Very cute. Let's see who we got in the castle. Oh, it doesn't want to open for me. Ah, here we go. We got Anna in a dress. Let me just use the scissors and open this. Here she is. Oh, there's my cat in the background. Here's the cat. Oh look, there's Olaf there. Sven's in there. There we go. Let's put Anna in her castle. There we go. Send her up on her carpet. Now let's see what we've got in here. We have got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles surprise egg. Let's have a look and see what's in here. It's got a green egg. Ooh, what is this? Looks like a little book or something. Let's have a look. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh, it is. It's a little notebook. You have lots of fun drawing in that. And it came with some jelly beans, some pink and yellow jelly beans, and a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stickers, and here are all the surprises you can collect. Okay, let's put that one aside. Okay, now let's see what we've got in here. What's this one? Shopkins collection, candy collection egg. Let's see what's in this one. Ah, doesn't want to open. Alright, let's have a look. Let's see what's in here. This one comes with a purple egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look! Little love heart lollies. Oh wow, pink and white. Oh, they're so cute. And oh, that is so cute. A little dangly. Oh, with an apple, with a worm. I love it. That is so cute. And it came with a sticker with a lipstick, and it says beautiful. That is gorgeous. Love it. Love, love, love it. And there's 12 to collect. That's all of them that you can collect. I have to open up some more and see if we can collect them all. And here are all the stickers you can get. There's also 12 of them. I love the popcorn one and the cookie one. Oh, I want to get them all. Okay. Oh, let's move that aside. Let's see what else we got. We got a Star Wars candy collection egg. Let's have a look. This one has got a yellow egg. Oh, I love this colour. It's very nice. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got little circle lollies. There's yellow, pink and green. And we got, oh, that is so cool, a key ring. It's so shiny, look at that. That is very nice. And a sticker. Oh, he is so cute. With the lightsaber and everything. Okay. And now let's see what is in here. Now we have got another frozen egg. Mystery egg. There's 6 to collect. Let's see what's in this one. Ah, that don't make them very easy to open. Not only are they child-proof, but they're adult-proof. Ah, here we go. Well, that makes it easier. Okay, that's a very nice blue egg. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look! It's a Sven keychain. Oh, Sven, what am I talking about? Sorry, it's a Kristoff keychain. Okay, focus, come on. It's not going to focus on the face. Oh, there we go. And that is all of them that you can collect. Okay, let's see what else is in here. We got a Paw Patrol surprise egg. Let's see what's in this one. So that's a very nice shade of blue. Let's see what we got. We got jelly beans, some more pink and more yellow. And we got a sticker. Well, actually, some stickers. We got more than one. We got them all. Oh no, not all of them, sorry. And we got this, and I think you blew. No. I think you can put it on top of a pencil or something and you can spin it around. It's got rubble. Rubble on the double. That is very cute. Okay, let's see what else. We have got another frozen mystery egg. Let's see what keychain we got this time. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. This time we got Sven. Okay, let's put him here, over here with Kristoff. Okay. Is there any more? Yes, there is. Let's see what keychain we get in this one. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. Who do you think we're going to get this time? Let's have a look. We got another Kristoff. 2 Kristoffs. Okay, now we've got one more. Let's see what we get this time. Okay. Where is it? There it is. Okay, who do you think we're going to get this time? I wonder if we get another Kristoff or another Sven. Let's have a look. We got Olaf! That is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, well, that is all that we got today. And thank you for watching. And if you like the video, I will do more. And have a lovely day. Bye.